Morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain calls. Well, Happy New Year. We'll see what 2019 brings. Grain traders are probably glad to see 2018 behind them. As far as the calls are concerned, one of those rare days in which we don't have an overnight trade, and so calls are kind of mixed. I think beans are called 1 to 3 higher, corn steady 1 higher, and wheat maybe steady. Higher calls in the beans is because of South American weather. Brazil 2-week outlook looks to be warm and dry, which could add a little premium to prices. On the other side of the coin, though, we're still unknown as to what's going to happen between U.S. and China relations. There is some talk that before a group leaves to go to January 7th to Beijing for talks, they may come in and buy the remaining 2 million tons of U.S. beans for the reserve that people anticipate they will buy. And in the corn market, we're at kind of the lower end of the recent trading range, and maybe we'll find some support because of South American weather. Still over the market in corn is farmers selling in the new year from last year's supply. And in the wheat market, world wheat prices continue to firm up a little bit. Wheat's near the season lows and becoming oversold, and we'll see if there's a little bounce in the wheat market at the first of the year. Outside markets, we've got kind of a double whammy going on as far as concern about politics in Washington and global politics, especially in Europe, and also worried about the economy. Some China data came out, PMI, and it was disappointing. And so stocks are going to open up maybe as much as 370 lower, and we'll see if that has any influence on the grains. So again, we might see a little bit better tone in the beans because of Brazil weather. Outside markets are negative, which could offer some resistance to the trade. So hope everybody has a great 2019 with some maybe opportunities on risk. And these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services. And have a safe and profitable trading day.